Hello, everyone. This is your market update for December 12th, 2023. We just got the CPI print for November. It came in at 0.1%. They expected it to be flat, like October was 0.0%, so it was a little bit higher than expected. The annual rate fell from 3.2 to 3.1%. All in all, most of the deflation is coming in commodities, primarily energy, and we still have some negative prints in used cars and trucks. Over to, they haven't updated this yet. We still have October here, but what I wanted to point out is over the next few months, if we remain at a 0.1% inflation rate over the next few months, in January, we're going to see a huge decline in the annual rate. And then February, we got these big numbers that are going to roll off. And then in April, we have another big number. Now, this is provided gasoline remains stable. There's still a chance it could shoot up. But if gasoline prices remain stable, then yeah, inflation is going to come down significantly. And I believe probably by April or May, we could be below 2.5%, maybe even approaching 2%. Over to the charts. Gold is, here, I got to move this out of the way real quick. All right. So gold, it jumped on the news briefly. Now it's coming back and we're trading around $2,002. For me, this is the 50-day exponential moving average. Historically, I've used this as a benchmark. If we see progressive closes below the 50-day EMA, that means that generally we're in an intermediate cycle decline, which can last several weeks. So we had one close below it here. This and technically it closed below it here. But when I say progressive close, I mean so prices closed here, and then the next day I'd like to see it close even lower. So we didn't get that. So we just had the single close here, prices rebounded, and now we're back towards the 50-day EMA. We'll see what happens next. But to form a swing low, prices would have to close above yesterday's high, which was $2,023.70. Over to silver. Silver's bouncing a little bit, and it would have to form a swing low. As far as silver, it would have to close above yesterday's high, which was $23.40. So I don't trust swing highs and lows in silver as much because it's more volatile than gold. But nevertheless, that's the area we need to watch there. And platinum, it's kind of doing its own thing here. It completed the bullish engulfing candle, and it completed a swing low, and prices are up today, currently trading at $924. But again, the line in the sand is $950. If we can get above that, then maybe prices can start to break away, but no sign of that yet. And over to GDX, we're still a little bit before the open, but the $29.32 is that weekly gap area that I'd like to see hold throughout the into Friday's close. We'll see what happens, but if prices continue to drift below that, obviously there's a gap here around $28.50. This is not how a normal head and shoulders pattern should perform. So right now, I really need to see prices form a swing low and begin to bounce. And maybe we'll get that after tomorrow's Fed meeting. But if prices continue to drift after tomorrow's Fed meeting and close below $28.50, then I'd say there's a high probability we're just going to be stuck in consolidation a bit longer. That's it for now. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and we'll talk again later. Bye-bye.